the apartheid era, they have the thing of let's take power and abuse it, just like the whites did to us. So we are now in power. We want that power that they had, and now it's getting all too much, and there's so much greed. So I don't know that I say I've been on the screen recently because it was a good season, but what I would say to a great audience, I'm asking you what's happening. I'd say it all started with one honest man who was put in a tight corner between a rock and a hard place. And he had to expose the secrets and the darkness of the leaders that we are proud to call our leaders. They were proud. People like whom that we look up to because it's from his men. They were showing answers. All men.
Be able to adapt to community and think on my feet, to be able to lead those time. It means that as a leader, I need to consider how you think. It starts about how you take your decisions, it starts from your behaviors, and it's not about how you carry yourself as a leader. So
everybody to be able to speak, to have an opinion, and also to be able to lead in process. It means being able to create an inclusive environment where everyone feels as though they are part of the school and
This is Provincial, our state executive. We, the elected members of the Provincial State Executive, pledge to uphold the values and the ideals of the President Department of Education, dedicate ourselves to be positive leaders, role models, encouraging collaboration, excellence, and the spirit of Ubuntu amongst all learners. Represent the diverse voices and interests of all layers across KwaZulu-Natal. Promote unity, equality, and inclusivity within schools in our province. Work tirelessly towards enhancing the quality of education in our province. Be at the forefront in the fight against discrimination, bullying, substance abuse, sexual harassment, and all other societal ills that negatively impact our future. Thank you.